July by DITTMANN. Special treatment with the free electric diamonds laid out. So for this size, you get a ton of electric diamonds. The bigger the size of your painting or canvas, the more free electric diamonds you get. And in this example, we have placed the electric diamonds right over there on the corners of the picture. So those are the electric diamonds that we have positioned on the corners, on the upper corners. And now to start with the special treatment. For version 1 special treatment, we begin with sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled in the darkest areas of the picture. So that's mainly on the bottom part of this painting, July. Version 2, we now add dark forest crystals, and these are the dark purple crystals that we see sprinkled on the dark purple areas of the picture. So that would be on the flowers and also on the tips of her hair. And finally, for version 3, we now add lilac. These are the lilac crystals. Do you see how it sort of looks like electric diamonds at first, but then it sparkles violet? So these are the lilac crystals that we have placed on the light purple areas of the picture, just to give it some highlight. So once again, for version 3 of July, we have sapphire diamonds, dark forest crystals, and lilac crystals, plus the free electric diamonds that we have positioned on the upper 2 corners of the picture.